Hello children, so here we are going to study about circles, perimeter and area of circles and sector of a circle. So let us first start. How is a circle formed? Suppose there is a fixed point O and a moving point A. That means the tip of the pencil is, we call it A, and if it moves, then when it moves, then it covers an area, area, then it covers an area, all right, and it also covers a distance. When it comes back one complete round, when it comes back, it covers an area and it covers a distance. Now Sachin, do you know what is the area of a circle? We have studied in our previous classes. What is
Yeah,
area of the circle?
it's pi r square.
Area of a circle is pi r square. Okay, very nice. And so we have got this as pi r square. All right, and the perimeter of circle, what is it?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. Perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. Perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. That means perimeter for circle is given a special name, that is circumference. So perimeter, circumference, all right, that is the name given to the perimeter, circumference, all right, and that is equal to 2 pi r. That means if I walk down all this around this part, so the distance I will cover will be equal to 2 pi r. R is the radius. R is the radius. Obviously if you know the radius, then it's a very easy way to calculate the area. Very easy way to calculate the area. That is, if I take it as say for example I take it as 21 centimeter. Say for example I take it as 21 centimeter. So what happens is that the area of this circle, area will be equal to pi r square, pi into 21 into 21. That is what is the area. Now pi is 22 by 7. Pi is 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. So 7 3s are. So now what do we have? 22 3s are 66 into 21. Obviously very easily we can calculate. What we do is 66 into 21. We can calculate 66 and 132. So 6 2 8 3 1386 centimeter square. 1386 centimeter square. So that is what is the area. No, area unit will be also always square. So Sachin sir, can you confirm what is this 66 into 21?
Yes.
And how much is it? And circumference will be equal
1386.
to 1386, right? So circumference will be equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. So 7 3s are, so that is 2 into 3, that is 2 into 3 into 22. So 2 into 3 into 22 will be equal to how much? Can you confirm? It will be 6 to the 12, 6 to 12 and 13. So it will be how much? 132 centimeter.
Yeah,
How much is it, sir?
132.
Centimeter. So that is the first thing we have to understand. Now area of a circle, why did I teach in standard 10th? Because area of sector is based on this. Now you have to understand the basic. When point A, or when this line OA, when it moves, it sweeps an area of pi r square, and when point A moves, it covers a distance of 2 pi r. So then the concept of sector of a circle will be good. But before that, a lot of small questions will be given to you. Thank you to understand this first concept. Then a lot of small questions will be given to you, like area of a ring and all. So let us do this as ritual, which is very easy part for you. Suppose there is a circular playground, and there is another there is a path inside it, and they say for example, they say that the radius over here, the external radius is 21, this is 21, all right. So this is the length of OA is 21 and 21 centimeter, and the length of the inner radius, that is OB, is 14. All right, so OA is equal to 21 centimeter. This time should be okay, we have already given centimeters. OA is 21 and OB is 14 centimeter. All right, so they are telling now calculate the area of the path. This path, you have to calculate the area of this path. All right, and then they will add a few arithmetic questions like traveling the path cost this much, so per meter square, so or centimeter square, what is the cost of traveling the whole path. So now what we do is area of the path in this case will be path will be equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle, outer circle minus area inner circle. I write in short inner circle. All right, so now area of outer circle will be pi capital R square, that is pi 21 square minus pi 14 square. Now we can use a little shorter method. Pi will be common, then 21 square minus 14 square, so that will be equal to how much? Pi 21 plus 14 and 21 minus 14. So now I am going here, from here area of path, from here I am going here. So area, what will be the area? Let us see. Pi will be 21 by 7 into 21 plus 14 is how much? 35 into 21 minus 14 is 7. Now 7 cancel, so this will be how much? Let us see. This will be how much? This will be 770. So Sachin sir, 22 into 35 is how much?
It will be 770
centimeters square. So correct. So we are very accurate over here. So we finish this one, and it is going on okay. Thank you. Then now we go to the sector. So sector, let us see how the concept of sector, the formula of sector comes. How does it come? We suppose we say that a particular point A moves from A to B, making an angle, say for example 60 or 30 or X, making an angle X. So it's the movement of the compass is restricted over here, and it is making an angle 60. Now see, this whole thing is what to say, the sector. This is, say for example, any angle theta. So what is the area of the sector? So first you have to understand. So to know the sector, I will complete this circle. And I will get the formula using unitary method. Now if OA moves one round, suppose it moves one round and come back to A, then the area is pi r square. So we can say if it moves completely one round, that it means it covers an angle of 360 degree. So for 360 rotation, area swept is equal to how much? Is pi r square, isn't it? Pi OA square. So for 1 degree rotation, area swept is pi r square by 360. I'll write it like that. Rotation area swept is pi r square by 360. So for theta, because it is rotated only theta, so for theta rotation, for theta degree rotation, area swept is pi r square by 360 into theta. So area of the sector formula now we can arrange and write. Area of the sector we can arrange and write. Theta will be the given angle or the central angle by 360 degree, both the things should be in degree, into pi r square. So now suppose I give you one question. Suppose the radius is 7 centimeter and this angle theta is 60 degree. So can you find the area? This angle is 60 degree. Then straight away it becomes very simple. 60 by 360 into pi is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So 66 is so it's gone. 7 it is gone. So it is 154 by 6 centimeter square. So it is 154 by 6 7. So it will come equal to 25.6666 recurring. So 25.67 approximately, 25.67 centimeter square approximately. So this is what is there. So we come to a very good important point, that area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. So that is the first thing. Now suppose they give the question in a changed way. Find out the area of shaded region and the unshaded. So you can do it two ways. You can find out the whole circle and subtract this. Area of the whole circle minus subtract this. Or you can go other way around. If this inner sector is 60 degree, then outer sector angle is 300. So you can directly find out area of this part will be 300 by 360 into 7 square. So that is what is area. Now suppose I tell you how much is the distance covered from A to B. How much is the distance covered from A to B? Then what we are going to do is we are again going to use this unitary method. So I'll need some space. So let me keep this question this way. And I will try to derive by unitary method. I'll try to derive. If you can have a look on this, if it is visible to all of you. So suppose I say, now I am trying to find out how much distance this fellow covers when it travels from A to B when the angle is theta. So suppose this goes one round, then it covers a distance of, when point A moves one round, when I will make this diagram to let it have a better look. I will make this diagram. So when it goes from A to B and it makes an angle of theta, let us put theta. So how much is the distance it is covering? How much is the distance it is covering? How much is the distance it is covering? Let us see. So this length, and if the radius is r. So when A moves 360 degree, distance is 2 pi r. Distance covered by A is 2 pi r. So I am writing in short. So when A moves 1 degree, distance covered. So I am writing distances, but distance covered is 2 pi r by 360. So when A moves theta degree, then distance is 2 pi r by 360 into theta. So arrange if we arrange, so this is known as an arc or length. So length of the arc will be equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So that is there. So that is it. So length of the arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. However, if they say what is the perimeter of the sector, so there you have to, perimeter means a distance covered while traveling on the boundary in a closed sphere. So perimeter of an arc, now length of the arc L, so it will be L plus radius here, and radius, that means twice radius. So theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Perimeter of an arc, perimeter of a sector, I will write, that will be a better language. Perimeter of a sector, perimeter of a sector, not a, that will be length plus 2r. So theta by 360 into 2 pi r is the value of L over here, and plus 2r. So suppose they give me the radius 7 and tell me to find out the length as well as they tell me to find out the perimeter. So I will write down perimeter of R will be, a perimeter of sector will be, perimeter of sector will be equal to theta. Suppose I am giving this as 60 degree. So 60 by 360 into 360 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 plus 2 into 7. So that means 6 times it goes, this goes once, and what happens, it becomes how much, then it becomes 22 to the, so this is how much, 44 divided by 6 into 14, plus 14. So 44 divided by 6 is 7.33. 7.33 plus 14. So here you can do the calculation on your own, and that will be in centimeters. So that is one of the most important part. So we will go to one more question. So now we do a one complete question. So I am writing the question over here. Find out the area and perimeter, of the sector of a circle, whose diameter is 28 meter and central angle is 90 degree. So it's an easy thing, actually we will do it through the formula. However, this is 90, so it is actually to find out the area of 1/4 of a circle. So in short, we know what to do, but we will try to go using the formula. So I am drawing the figure and I am getting the angle as 90 degree. So this is 90 degree, this is diameter is 28, so the radius will be half of the diameter to 14 meter, and we have to get this. So now what happens, here we can see, first we get area. So formula for area of sector is what? Area of sector is what? Theta by 360 into pi r square. So it is 90 by 360 into pi, that is 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. So we will need some calculation, I think so. 9 4s are, 7 2s are, 2 2s are, 0.27. So how much is this? 154 of meter square. It is 154 meter square. Okay, so we got this. Now what happens is we go to the first, we got the length of the arc. So length of the arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So what is it? L will be equal to 90 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r is how much? 14, isn't it? So this is 4 times, this is 2 times, this is 7 times, and this cross aside. So we get 22 meters, isn't it? We get 22 meters. So the length of the arc is, that means the distance here to here is 22. All right, now what to do? Now what to do is we have to get the perimeter of the sector. So perimeter of the sector is equal to L plus 2r. So we've got the value of L over here, 22 plus 14 plus 14, that is equal to 22 plus 28, that is 50 meters. So now we get to the one final round. One more concept we can learn here. So one more concept, that meaning of segment and finding its area. Meaning of segment and finding its area. So what will happen? So what will happen? Let us see. Suppose I have been given a sector like this. All right, its radius is 7 centimeter, is this angle is 60 degree, and they're telling find the area of the minor segment. Now they're not telling sector. Segment means we have to find out this is a chord, and the minor segment means this side. The minor segment is this part of the circle, and the major segment is the other part. Once again I can show you what is the real meaning of segment without the sector. Actually this is a circle and this is a chord. So this part is the minor segment and this part is the major segment. This part, minor segment does not include the center and major segment includes the center. So they're telling me to find out the area of this. They're giving me this as 7 centimeter. Now how do I go about this is, I can calculate the area of this sector by using the sector formula, and I can subtract the area of this triangle. Obviously if this is 60 degrees, radius and radius are equal, so this will be also 60 because it is an isosceles triangle. So base angle will be A plus A. Now if this is 60, we are remained with 120, so A plus A is 120, so A will be 60. So this becomes an equilateral triangle, isn't it? So now we can easily take out the area of this sector and we can subtract this area of the equilateral triangle and we can get the area of minor segment. So area of segment will be area of segment of minor segment will be area sector minus area, the triangle which is formed. So it's easy. Area sector with theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of the triangle will be root 3 by 4 into 7 into 7. So I'll need help in calculation for very sure. So 60, this goes 6 times, this is gone. So this is 2 11, 2 3s are, so I'm left with 77 by 3 minus this is 1.732. So 77 by 3 is 25.67 minus this is root 3 by 4 side square, so this is 49. Now 1.732 divided by 2 is 0.865 into 49. So 0.865 into 49, 25.67. Now this will be root 3 by 4 into 7 square. So root 3 is 1.732 and actually this is 4 over here. So I will put 4. So this I can put again into 2. So this will be divided by 2. So 0.865 into 49 by 2. 0.865 into 49 by 2 will be how much? It will be 21.19. So 25.67 minus 21.19. So this comes to 4.48. I'll try to take out the help of Sachin sir. So Sachin sir, area of the minor segment is theta by 360 into pi r square. So that is 60 by 360. So 66 ja. Okay, then 2 11s and 2 3s are. So 11 into 7 is 77 by 3. Can you tell me what is 77 by 3? That is equal to 25.67. Very good. And 1.73 by into 49. 1.73 into 49. Can you split it up? 1.73 into 49 is 84.77 and that divided by 4. Can you help me out? Yeah, so that is correct. So that is 21.19. So I was just checking on this calculation with sir, so it's correct. This is just a checking calculation. Alright, so this is 4.48 centimeter square. So we are getting this. Thanks a lot.